Hi, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Sarah, and we're the Global Geezers.
Take it away.
Today I'm going on an adventure by myself. I'm going to a cooking class, and it goes to a farm, and it tells you about the ingredients and the things that they use here in their foods. So I'm looking forward to it. It was something that Kevin wasn't too interested in, so I'm gonna go do it alone.
I'm not really interested in the cooking aspect. I'm interested in the eating aspect. So if it was an eating class, I'm there.
Well, it's that too, but there's a lot more going on.
Yeah, it's all day cooking, but just give me the food. I don't need to know how to make it.
So hopefully you enjoy it, and I'll take you along. The market is through there. We have just arrived at the market. Looks like we're meeting a couple other people here. Some of the outer shops are still closed, but it looks like all of the other stuff is on the inside. She's walking us into the market. She says that you can take photos of anything you'd like, but if you touch anything, some of them may get mad or want you to buy something. So she said, no touch. So our guide's name is Ba, and she's going to show us some stuff for about 10 minutes.
Hey everyone, we start here and you can come closer to see the rice together. You can see many kind of rice, but for your lunch today you will have two kind of rice. Jasmine rice and sticky rice. And now let's compare how different for the grain.
We got a little bit of a lesson, and now we have about 15 minutes to walk around and check out the market. There's all kinds of stuff here. Fruits, vegetables, clothes, eggs, seasoning, spices, ready-made pastes, noodles. I mean, anything either partially ready-made or completely start from scratch is available here. Ooh, big durian. I don't think I'm going to be eating any crickets or worms for that matter.
Welcome into the kitchen.
Wonderful.
This
All right, so we just arrived. It's beautiful. They have a nice open air dining area, kitchen area, cooking area, and they have some tea and water here for us, whichever we'd like. And it's really quiet and peaceful. I can hear the birds. It looks like there's lots of farmland out in this territory in general, because we passed several different farms, cows out in the fields. It's really nice. I'm going to get some tea. Sticky rice crop.
banana and papaya. So you can see banana everywhere. Okay, small one.
So there's a half-day cooking class over here on the other side of the garden.
Have the grain of the sticky rice here. My hands. So we use this leaf a lot in Thai cooking. This is kaffir lime. You can see the name here. Kaffir lime. It's same family with regular lime, but regular lime have one leaf. Kaffir lime have double leaf. Then you can eat. And now let you smell. I always eat it.
Yeah, me too. It's a little bit hard, but it's okay.
It's chewy. It's quite chewy.
This one's the sour tamarind.
Sour. So I let you taste the flesh inside. This we already peel the skin. And you put sugar and salt. Chili powder, make the candy. Spicy candy. Sour. And this for your But we use for mosquito spray. Okay. When you buy mosquito spray, it smells like this. I let you smell. You can put this in your room and keep mosquitoes away from you. And the lemongrass for cooking, you can see this different. This all for cooking. It's smaller, but the stick quite bigger. You can soak in water until the roots come out, and you can plant it again.
Oh wow.
You can take a look at the bottom part like this. This is a season of banana and papaya.
So you have to have both a male papaya tree and a female papaya tree to make papaya, because the male papaya tree bears the flower, whereas the female bears the fruit. Very cool.
It's less spicy. So we use for color and flavor. Don't be afraid big one, less spicy. You can put a lot. We call dynamite because after you bite it, 5 seconds later it's bomb in your mouth. Slow burn in your mouth.
No, I just want to know confirm I can eat spicy.
Making tomgasu. Here's my list. Spring rolls.
So fish sauce and the soya sauce. Today we do vegetarian. We don't need more oil in here because we already have sesame oil in here.
Okay.
And then put your first group of this. Bean sprout, carrot, tofu. 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, put your sauce of your sauce around. Mix around 10 seconds.
All right, there are a lot more steps apparently for the spring roll people versus the pad thai people. And there's only 2 of us doing spring rolls. So we chopped up our vegetables and we just stir fried the vegetables and separated them into two different pieces because we're gonna make two egg rolls, or yeah, two spring rolls.
Looks like from cookbook.
Yummy.
And you can see that the paper have two sides, rough side and smooth side.
Yes.
But it's not right or wrong. Some restaurants they like bubble to cover with the sauce. They put the rough side down like this.
Ah,
But some
yes.
restaurants they like put smooth side down like this.
Okay. Yummy. Yes. And they're gonna be hot, so now I gotta wait.
Oh my God!
Trying my spring
It's
rolls.
like a vegetarian papaya salad. You can try some. Okay. I don't put dry thing, and I use soy sauce, substitute fish sauce.
All right, looks like it's gonna start getting a little bit sweaty in here.
How soy? You have much more chop, a little bit.
Okay.
Everyone okay with oyster sauce? 1 tablespoon.
Then that's a thick one.
Yes, I said 1 teaspoon.
I just finished my other dish. Cashew chicken. Yummy. So here's my cashew chicken, and well, my cow soy is not quite ready to eat yet because I have to put it together when it's time. Yum.
Schmeckt sehr kuschelig.
All right, we finished our meal. We have a little bit of time. I'm gonna see if I can go find the restroom. And then we make our dessert. So it's pretty warm right now. It's mid-afternoon, but there's lots of shade around, so it's really nice. Look at these huge lily pads. See a huge lotus flower in between them over there.
Leave it boiling for 1 minute. This also for topping. You can topping
It's about 4:17, and I just got dropped off at my apartment building, and I'm going up the elevator. But just to wrap up, it was a really good day. It was a hot day, but it wasn't unbearable. I think they planned everything out really well, from stopping at the market and giving us some free time there, and then the rest of the drive, and then just separating the dishes out from the time that we would make things and we would eat them, and then we'd have a little bit extra time. So all of that was really nice. At the very end, I probably would have liked a little bit more time. I was kind of in a rush to get the drone up. So hopefully some of that turns out. We'll see. Kevin can do his magic. But I hope you really enjoyed that. It was weird having a whole tour without Kevin. So we'll see how this turned out. Hopefully you like it. And I would highly recommend a cooking class while you're here. Not necessarily to cook again, or if you're a cook or anything like that, but just to learn about the foods and the herbs and all of the things that you're eating, and what all these different flavors are. So when you see things on a menu, you might have a little bit better of an idea of what you might like or what you might want. But that's kind of what I learned too. I mean, I love to cook, but obviously I don't cook anymore. Anyway, talking way too long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. I'll take you along.
Why don't you say you say let's go?
I don't want to. That's your thing. That's not my thing. I don't have to say let's go.
Okay. Well then, what are you going to tell them to? So.